Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test. We are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable. In the smartphone you can find the fingerprint sensor built into the display right here. So let's make like 5 tries, and it will be also the good example because on the screen you can find here the tempered glass. So let's check how this sensor works. So as you can see, it is pretty fast. As you can see, it works every time. I think it's a little bit slower than OnePlus 9 Pro fingerprint sensor, but it's really fast. I think it's also one of the fastest sensors that you can find in the smartphones. And also, as you can see, with the tempered glass, it works really cool. So that's very good biometrics security. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.